Hi, today's double lesson, pretty straightforward. We first of all marking our attendance. You've done the right thing, gone to the forum, and you are now watching that video. So we need to go to lesson 15. So going to lesson 15, which is chapter 3.3 review. So as I said into the other video, there's a close relationship between photosynthesis and aerobic respiration, which this video will help you to understand. And then once you've watched that video, don't worry about this time. Go straight to the chapter review, which is a Word document, and you will be able to maybe reference to your summary book or to your textbook. And all you need to do is just work your way through each of these questions. So you've got plenty of time. You can pause, look it up, and all you need to do is go up to here, click on your highlighter, and highlight your choice. And just go along the way, completing that task. That's for the multiple choice section. And then when we go over to the short answer section, have a go at just typing your answers in here. So undo that, just type away. And if you want, you can even change the color so you can see your answers clearly. Again, reference to it. Make sure you save it to your Google Drive, and then it's a case of submitting your work. So let's go back to the class page, and don't forget you've marked your attendance. And then now we're scrolling down, and it's this one here, Unit 3.3, Reactions of Life. So we just click on there, and then all we need to do is press the submit button. Now I think it's shown because I haven't opened it yet. So there'll be a submission button there for you to save. And on Saturday, on the weekend, I'll send you the solutions to that so you can check your own answers. And that's for the double. So you've got plenty of time to go carefully through each of those questions. If you've got any questions, please email me.